back to my channel. I'm Leah, if you don't know. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an elbow handstand, because a lot of you guys have been requesting this video, like how to do this, how to do that, like how to do gymnastics, how to do flexibility, stuff like that. So I absolutely fell in love with elbow handstands. So I just want to show you guys how I do them and how I balance them. So that's what this video is going to be all about.
Let's get started.
So first, I'm going to be showing you guys how to approach the elbow handstand, because you don't want to be like that and like totally confused. So first, you want to get on your knees, take this one out, take your good side, like try to do a handstand and see which one is your good leg. So go on your knees, take out your good leg, and just kind of roll on that one and go bend your elbows and go like that and kick up with this one. So that's how you approach it. Then you just have to kick it and like be careful. Don't kick too hard or too light. You have to kick perfect. So this is like how to kick perfect. So now I'm going to show you guys how to end it, like go down. So just like pretend like did that. Then you want to land on your good leg first, and this one back. Then you want to get it off, salute if you want, and just get up. Voila, that's how you end it. So this is the whole thing, how it's going to look like. So knee, elbow, and end. Voila. So now, since I kind of held it for a long time, not a long time, but like held it, I'm going to show you guys like the tips and tricks on how to balance it. So I have this one little trick. It's like if you're going this way, like if you're going like front, lean on your elbow, and if you're going backwards, lean on your hands. So it'll look like this. Like for example, I kick too hard. Ouch. For example, I kick too hard. You might fall over, but you could stay longer if you like lean on your elbows. So that's a really good trick, and I'm going to show you guys the positions I usually do to balance them. So I usually bend this leg and straighten this one. It looks like this. Oh wait, no, that was the opposite. This one's straightened, this one's down. So like this. Like that. And there's also one more. You have to be good at balancing for this one, but it looks like very professional. So this is how it looks like. And you might fall forward, but that usually doesn't happen. So that's usually how like you do the elbow handstands. But I'm gonna be showing you guys like the positions you need and what not to do and what to do. So when you approach your handstand, never look like too forward, because if you go like that, you're gonna like fall over immediately. So at least look a little bit, not like all the way. So like this. At least look at your fingertips, not like to the window. So that's like where you should look, I guess, to keep you balanced. But don't do this. Don't do this. I don't know what it's really called, but don't do this. Don't look all the way down. Do not, or else you're gonna fall over on your head. Like, this is what happens if you do that. You turn into a headstand. So don't do that. Just go like this normally. Ouch. Yeah. So, and remember, don't kick hard and don't kick too light. So, a lot of you guys are probably asking, like, how do I not fall forward? Well, I told you guys like how to balance it, but this is like how not to get hurt or like fall on your back. So first, you always want to like make sure there's nothing on your elbows, nothing pokey, so you don't like hurt your elbows or like anything on the carpet. Make sure it's like plain. You should do it like maybe on a flat surface or carpet. Make sure there's nothing there. So, oh geez. Just go here. Make sure you're in this position, like bent and then straight. Don't straighten it like this, or else you're gonna like maybe lose control, kind of like this. or else you're gonna fall forward, and if you try to balance, you're not gonna do it because it's like super hard. Like, look. Like, if I even bend, ow, it's hard to talk while doing that, but if I even lean on just different parts of my arms, like, it doesn't do anything. So, I bet you guys are still asking questions, and there's how to hit those positions with your legs. So, it's pretty simple. You could do it against the bed if you want. That's like the safest place, maybe not against the wall. Just do it against the bedding, like this. You could put your foot on and bend your other leg, and it's really hard to, no, it's really easy to balance. You could just simply kick over, and that's like how to hit those positions. If you want to straighten your legs, you could totally do that, but you need to be very good at balancing. You could do it against the bed too, like this. You could also do a contortion elbow handstand. I don't know how to do that, but like this. Ow. You could also practice chest stands, handstands, like handstands like this to help balance it. But elbow handstands are very easy to balance and do. It's very rare to get hurt. Like, they're probably the easiest type of handstands. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, this is a very short video, but I just wanted to show you guys all the tips and tricks on how to do an elbow handstand. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!